Every time your body grows, heals a wound, or replaces worn-out cells, new cells must be produced. This happens through mitosis, a type of cell division that creates two genetically identical daughter cells. Genetic identity is important because if a damaged skin cell is replaced, the new cell must also be a skin cell, not a liver cell or any other cell. Mitosis ensures that each new cell receives the same genetic information as the original cell. Normally, cells spend most of their time in interphase, the longest stage of the cell cycle. During this stage, the cell grows, synthesizes proteins, carries out its normal functions, and copies its DNA in preparation for division. Cells spend about 90% of their life in interphase, while mitosis occupies only a small part of the cell cycle. In humans, most body cells contain 46 chromosomes. During interphase, the DNA is replicated. Each chromosome now consists of two identical sister chromatids joined together at a centromere. Because chromosomes are counted by the number of centromeres, the cell still contains 46 chromosomes after replication, even though the number of chromatids has increased from 46 to 92. Mitosis begins with prophase. The word pro means before, and this stage prepares the cell for the events that follow. During prophase, the DNA condenses into visible chromosomes, making the genetic material easier to move. The nuclear membrane begins to break down, and spindle fibers start to form. Next is metaphase. Think of M for middle. The nuclear membrane has disappeared, and the chromosomes line up across the center of the cell. Spindle fibers attach to the centromeres, preparing the chromosomes for separation. Then comes anaphase. Think of A for away. The spindle fibers pull the sister chromatids apart and move them toward opposite ends of the cell. Next is telophase. Think of T for two, where new nuclear membranes begin forming around each set of chromosomes, creating two new nuclei. By the end of this stage, each nucleus contains 46 chromosomes. And finally, cytokinesis divides the cytoplasm, producing two separate daughter cells. Each daughter cell receives 46 chromosomes and is genetically identical to the original cell.